Okay, now let me do my honest review on this thing. I did my first impression on it. I like how it worked. It looks sturdy and whatnot, but don't let the looks deceive you. This blitzwolf vacuum blender, what I love about it, it is an all-in-one. The vacuum, everything is built into it, right? And it has the shield to make it a little more quiet, but it really doesn't keep it quiet at all. It's still a loud machine. Okay, pull this out a little bit more so it could stay up. Okay, so it's a little bit loud. Of course, if you look at my previous video, I might have filled it. I filled it up to the line, but for some reason when I blended it, stuff got through the this hole there in this contraption that goes at the bottom of the cover that does the vacuuming. So on the vacuum, some of the product got inside. Don't know if that's supposed to happen or not, but it did. One of the other things that I didn't get from the Dynapro or my Vitamix is that it has a burning smell. So I'm under the impression this thing is going to burn up. The motor in this is going to burn up fairly quickly compared to the other two devices. I would say 45 seconds is a good run time if you're going to get this before you start getting that burning smell. And after blending, what I ended up doing, because it was still grainy, the Vitamix 780 is still number one with smoothness. There's just nothing beating it. I don't care what anybody says. Anyway, all the experts, I've tried this. I've tried a Dynapro. It just doesn't work. Nothing's as smooth as that. And I sure hope Vitamix comes out with their own vacuum blender. Unless to them it's a gimmick. But it did vacuum. This one is an all-in-one, so it has that going for it. I don't have additional parts. I don't have, additional like batteries and stuff to buy like the Dynapro had to get. I think the container, this is all I got out of a container. As you can see, it's already separating after what, like 3 or 4 minutes. What's in there again is pineapple, frozen blackberries, frozen kale, whole milk, and water kefir. That's all I put in there this time, and it's already separating. All right. Usually vacuum hold it's mixed. At least what I've seen on what John has shown on discountjuicers.com and some of the YouTube videos he's done, they usually hold, there's no separation, but this is clearly separating. It did the same thing with the Dynapro. I didn't really film that because I was so angry that the machine was $600 and didn't blend smooth, whereas this is the same price and it blended nice and smooth. Alright, so in order for me to get this smooth, I took this mesh, alright, and I put it in the tray like that, and I poured the stuff out to smooth it out, to get all the grains and stuff. And I didn't really lose a whole lot of stuff when I did it that way. I lose a little bit, but usually 2 of these will fill this up, give me a gallon. Whereas this, look, will give me almost a gallon if I do 2. But this is fine. I just have to readjust the amount of stuff I put in to use it. But I'm under the impression that this thing will not last more than a month or so. I'll be using this every day. And I'll see how long it lasts. I'll do an update in another month. But as of now, I like the form factor. It sold me on the form factor. Everything is just easy to use. You set your timer and whatnot. It's just so easy to use. I personally don't care for buttons and knobs because they're a little harder to clean if you get stuff fall on it. But down here, This part here, the power button and all that, that it looks like easy to clean. Whereas my Vitamix doesn't really have any surface buttons, so it's very easy to clean when I have to clean it. It's not really clean today, but yeah. Anyhow, if you have any questions, ask it in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe. I definitely prefer this machine over the Dynapro for its form factor. There's ease of use, no extra parts, no extra things to buy just to get it to work without using batteries. What I don't like about this is that it doesn't really have a warranty that I know of from blitzwolf, but there is a warranty if it burns up through AliExpress, and of course I use PayPal, so PayPal comes with a decent warranty, you know, behind to support this if it doesn't work well. Again, if you have any questions, ask it in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe. You all have a good day.